What's up, Throttle? Have you ever been in trouble with some of the noise laws for the cars here in California? Well, keep on watching, as today you're in for a ride. Hi, I'm Nadine, the co-founder of Throttle, and today I'm in sunny San Jose with my friend TJ.
Hey guys, I'm TJ. This is my 2015 GTI. Today we're gonna do a walk around and show you all the mods I have done.
Cool. And if you didn't have a chance to check it out, make sure you watch TJ's other video where he's racing against his brother in his A4. But today, let's take a look at the walk around of his car. So TJ, what can you tell us about the front lip here?
So in the front, I have a Maxton Designs front lip. So this is a polyurethane lip with supporting rods for stability.
Wow, just checking these out. These DRLs look really aggressive.
These are actually from a newer Mark 7.5 style headlight. What's done is there's a company that retrofits the Mark 7.5 style DRLs and fits it into a Mark 7.
This looks really similar to the front splitter. Is it almost the same design?
Yeah, so it's actually made by the same company, Maxton Designs. This is actually part of their track edition aero kit for the car, both the front splitter and the rear diffuser.
Ah, okay. And by the way, I just love your license plate, because bags are really cute. Now it's obvious the main thing about this car is it is seriously low. Now you did that yourself, didn't you? You didn't farm that out.
Yeah, so I actually did everything myself, down to cutting the board for the tank. For the air tank, I have just a generic 9-gallon air tank. Outside of the car, I have Airlift Performance Series bags. Yep. And the car is sitting on Rotiform 19-inch BLQs.
Wow, I love the design of that. That's really beautiful.
And this gives me 4 inches of travel, and I can sit anywhere within the 4 inches.
So, did you have any problems recently with the noise laws here in California?
I definitely did. Actually, 3 days ago, I got pulled over for having a loud exhaust, and while I was pulled over, the cop decided to check my engine bay. I ended up getting a citation and got what's called a state ref, where you have to go basically get your car smog checked again. And this time it's a lot more serious, and they really go through the entire car, like put it on a lift and basically do what every car guy doesn't want a smog check to do.
Oh, so what's that going to do to the sound? It's massively going to reduce that crackling noise that I'm hearing as you're running by.
Yeah, so it actually will go back to stock and it'll sound like a normal commuter Golf.
Oh, that's a shame. All right, well, you know what? I need a ride in this before you do that, because I got to capture those sounds one last time.
Definitely, me too.
Okay. All right, well, let's go. Before we head out, how can people keep in touch with you?
So you can keep in touch with me on the Throttle app. If you need any help with tuning the car or even bagging the car, let us know.
Thanks for joining us today, but make sure that you check out TJ and Tanvir's other videos. And please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we upload one next week. So thanks for watching, as Throttle's driving connections and fueling experiences. Let's go.